This is BBC One. Thanks for watching throughout 2024. We're on the cusp of a new year together. Let's welcome in 2025 with Sophie Ellis-Bextor, a glittering disco-fueled bash and spectacular fireworks. Expect flashing images.
We are 90 seconds away. 90 seconds away from 2025.
Tweaking, 120 on the M-way speeding.
95 to 30, there will always be a bit of my heart devoted to it. So many painful. London is hard. Right here, right here, right now, right here, right now, right here, right now.
Before you take it back to 2024.
We're going in search of summer, but no sign of that across the UK, that's for sure.
It's been one of the soggiest summers on record.
Why does it always rain on me? Why does it always rain on me?
Call when we run down the
Even when the sun is shining.
street. Why am I wet? Yeah, let's rain.
When skies are grey, hope is the way.
Unbelievable!
We needed something to brighten up the summer, and this is it.
Paris 2024!
A stunning games for Paralympics GB.
The bronze medal for Great Britain is a silver medal.
Gold for being brilliant!
Welcome to the final of Euro 2024.
When I met you in the summer.
(2024), the 80th anniversary of D-Day.
We were fighting for freedom. Freedom for everyone, not only for us.
I feel very proud I did something for peace.
Always hope.
As we start a new year, let's honor our history and never give up hope for the future.
No matter what happens, London will always be a city of hope and a place for everyone.
Are you ready?
back truck. It's got to the point that I don't even care. I got jewels in the safe that I don't even wear. We like to party. There's a party going on right here. Gonna celebrate your party with you one more time.
Happy birthday to the London Eye.
We're gonna celebrate one more time. Let's bring it on a celebrate. Let's bring it one more time. Let's bring it on a celebrate.
London Eye, celebrating 25 years of London skyline.
Gonna burn this goddamn house right down, right on the dance floor. But you better not get moving. Hey, it's right on the dance floor. You better not sit loose. DJ, gonna burn this goddamn house right down. DJ, let's go. Alright, just
There's a party downtown near Fifth Street. Everybody at the bar getting tipsy. Someone pour me up a double shot of whiskey. They know me and Jack Davis got a history. At the bottom of the bottle, don't miss me. Everybody at the bar getting tipsy.
you shoot me down, but I won't fall. I am titanium.
I need your love.
Never ever be alone.
Don't stop thinking about tomorrow.
It's a new dawn, it's a new day. As long as I'm alive, then I'll be sports screen your pride.
I'll be standing there by you.
I need your love.
Pump the jam, pump it up. Why your feet are stumping? And the jam is pumping. Look ahead, the ride jumping. Pump it up a little more. Get the party going on the dance floor. Because that's where the party's at, and you find out if you do that.
Love is all that I need, and I found it there in your heart. It isn't so hard to see. We're in
I need your love.
Pump the jam, pump it up.
I need your love. Make it right.
Pump up the jam, pump it up.
I need your love.
As we enter a new year, I always remember what Mrs. Brown says. In London, everyone is different. But that means anyone can fit in. I think she must be right, because although I don't look like anyone else, I really do feel at home. Happy New Year. Love from Paddington.